I lead a great team. We are really good at what we do. Now, most of us work virtually. We have good virtual meetings, and there are some benefits. However, I realized that our workload was increasing. We have so many meetings, phone calls, email threads, and redundant tasks. I was wondering, how could we improve our effectiveness and productivity? We're smart. There is the do-it-yourself option, various spreadsheets, and more virtual meetings. I don't think so. I thought about getting IT involved. They are great, but they are super busy. We needed something in place quickly. That certainly was not the way to go. We could get cloud-based enterprise software. I know how expensive that would be, and sometimes that's like putting a square peg into a round hole. We need a good fit for our team. I found out about the perfect customized solution to automate our process. bizWorkFlow from BizNets. Their expert team did the heavy lifting. They took our tangled web of spreadsheets, emails, and calendar invites and gave us a solution to help us manage, optimize, and organize our work. And I got to be the hero. bizWorkFlow lets us integrate, automate, and communicate socially, privately. Now our team can focus on what we do best. I'm sure BizNets can help your team too. Find out more at bizworkflow.info.